Most sellers don't know their conversion rate on Amazon. I'll show you how to see it in today's video. And we can see right here, thank you seller assistant app. They've got a little screenshot of how to convert your conversion rate, right? So it's total orders divided by total listing sessions times 100, right? And then here's an example, right? And then what we're going to do is actually just do it together. So that way it's super duper easy for you. And you're like, what the heck? How do we do this? Anyway, you just go to Amazon, right? And when you're in Amazon, what you're going to do is go into the business reports section. So you're going to go to Amazon reports, business reports. Once you're here, you're going to do detail, page, sales, and traffic. I'm just going to type in an ASIN, and then I'm going to go all the way to the right and kind of just filter it like this. I'm just going to like pretty much just do these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then scroll down 6. So I'm only having 6 filters to make it super easy, right? And then all you have to do is look at the total. We're doing the last 30 days, by the way. So what's the conversion rate of the last 30 days? You're going to do the total ordered items, 37 divided by the total sessions. So 37 divided by 236. And let's do that together. So we're going to do 37 divided by 236, right? And then you're going to multiply that by 100. So it's 15.67% is our conversion rate. You can also just click this and change it to a percentage if you want it to look nice. Boop. And now it's a percentage. 15.68% is our conversion rate, right? Anything above 13% is considered pretty good. So if you can get, that means if 100 people click on your listing, 15 will buy, right? So that's how you figure out conversion rate. It's pretty easy. You know, that was pretty quick. Now you can also see the conversion rate of your ads. Your conversion rate of your ads is usually better than your organic conversion rate. So to see the conversion rate of your ads, I'm going to open this thing up again, and then we're going to go to our ads. Here it is. I'm just doing it by portfolio, so it's very, very easy because all of our ads are in this portfolio. And then in the portfolio, it's going to be orders divided by clicks. So 11 orders divided by 55 clicks. So we've got 11 orders, 11 divided by 55. Multiply that at 100. So it's 20%. You can also just click this, change this to a percentage. Again, it's going to be 20%. So the conversion rate on Amazon ads are a lot better. So that means if I show this to 100 people, 20 will buy, which is pretty darn good, which means maybe I should be doubling down on ads for these products, right? And then the conversion rate for organic is around 15%, which is also pretty good. And a great conversion rate is 13% or higher. Now, a conversion rate means they click on your listing, and then how many people that actually click on your listing buy, right? So, you know, it's pretty solid. If you are stuck, you can go to our description. We do have a free listing audit that you can do right on our website. You just scroll down, fill this out, and we're going to pretty much tell you what your top competitors are doing to improve their conversion rate. So that way you can improve your conversion rate, because if people are clicking and they're leaving your listing, Amazon knows that your conversion rate is going to go down and your listing score is going to go down. So you're not going to be showing up on the first page. Let us help you. And the best part is we're going to be completely honest with you, give you great feedback. That's completely free. It's a win for you, win for us, because we get extra practice. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact the HP Consulting Group. Links are in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our account management. We're going to be looking at your conversion rate, improving your conversion rate with our design team, SEO, running your ads, and most importantly, growing your sales. That way you can focus on growing your business and expanding it, or we're focusing on your sales and management. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of the HP Consulting Group, signing out.